Okay, what we're looking at here is my old manual typewriter. Had some odd things going on with this. I got this out of storage recently, and the it was just kind of sitting over here to the side, and Rena told me a couple of times she thought she heard the thing type by itself, and I'm like, oh, you're just being nuts. But then the other night I was quite sure that I heard a key strike, and this is a completely mechanical manual typewriter, so obviously if you type on that, it makes a really loud noise. And we have tile floors in our house, so it echoes throughout whenever there's a noise. So I set up my camera last night, and a very shocking paranormal thing happened. Not only did the typewriter actually not only type individual letters, an individual letter by itself, but it actually typed a whole legible word by itself. And then some invisible force knocked my camera stand over. So I think there's a very, I don't know what to say, very, maybe not malevolent, but certainly not real nice poltergeist associated with this typewriter, because I typed out a curse word, and I'll show you that video in just a second, and then we'll slow it down and you can actually see the keys moving. It's really freaky. So here we go. Okay, in this video here, you can actually see the keys moving. I'm going to slow it down so you can really see it. And of course, in the end there, you actually see the camera turn over there. So let me show you the rest of that in a slower motion.